Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a clear library name and minimal public API. Create the library name /src and library name /examples folders now and add your header and CPP files. Include Arduino. H in the header so core types resolve. Once done, write library. Properties with name, version, author, sentence, and category to make the library discoverable. Make sure to commit these files into a Git repo so you have history and a stable base for subsequent development and testing. You now implement the core interface for your library, concise methods like init or begin, and clear read/write semantics. Split hardware access into private helpers and pass pin numbers or interfaces into constructors so you can test logic separately. Once implemented, create example sketches that exercise typical use cases and edge cases. Make sure to add conditional compilation, #ifdef Arduino, where needed, and to document expected behavior in headers so users adopt the API correctly and you avoid breaking changes later. You finish by packaging and verifying the library. Update README, license, and changelog, tag a release in Git, and ensure library properties is accurate. Test examples on real hardware across target boards and set up CI to build examples and run static checks. Once published, monitor issues and respond with reproductions. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: isolate whether the problem is wiring, board selection, or API misuse by running the minimal example and toggling debug outputs to narrow the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.